Jazz is not music, but also a way of existence, a way of thinking, and a way of life. The story of jazz is written into pursuit of human dignity, democracy, and civil rights. In November 2011, UNESCO officially designated April 30th as International Jazz Day. Many governments, civil society organizations, education institutions, and individual citizens who are committed to promoting jazz music have seized the opportunity of International Jazz Music Day to improve people's ability to appreciate music and enhance people's understanding of the contribution of music to building a more inclusive society. The purpose of International Jazz Day is to highlight the role of jazz music in promoting peace, dialogue, and unity. Jazz brings people together and gives them strength in times of crisis. International Jazz Day also attempts to regard jazz as a universal language that can transcend racial, cultural, and geographic boundaries. It emphasizes that music is a symbol of democracy, freedom, and human creativity. International Jazz Day brings together people of different ages, backgrounds, and nationalities. When we visit anywhere in the world, we can hear and experience wonderful jazz. We are witnessing musicians expressing themselves in their unique and individual ways. People all over the world have many ways to celebrate International Jazz Day. Not only concerts and events are held internationally, but many people also hold impromptu concerts, educational seminars and conferences, and organize community promotion plans. Many people celebrate International Jazz Day by attending jazz concerts, film screenings, community services, impromptu concerts, and other activities. Universities, libraries, museums, jazz clubs, and other public places hold special activities such as jazz performances and discussions. We can find and access jazz education materials from the website of International Jazz Day to help us organize activities. For those who are not familiar with this type of music, this is an opportunity to become more familiar with it and understand its roots and history. If we want to broaden our horizons and music knowledge, International Jazz Day is undoubtedly a celebration worthy of attention and participation. We can try these activities, experience the charm of jazz, and witness its ability to bring people from all over the world together and find common ground. April 30th is International Jazz Day. This is a picture we drew with all your pastels for this special day. I wish you a happy International Jazz Day. Cheers!